Today I'll teach you how to recover your deleted messages on Messenger. It's pretty simple. Now to recover it, you need to do it through Facebook. So open up your Facebook, and once you open up your Facebook, click on menu at the bottom right. From inside menu, click on the little setting icon at the top right, and inside settings scroll all the way down until you see this option called download your data. Click on download your information. From inside over here, first in order to download your data, you need to click on request. So click on it and make sure you choose your Facebook and your Facebook page. If you want to recover your Facebook pages like Messenger history, do that and click on next. Once you do that, click on where it says complete copy. Once you do that, all of your information will be copied. So as you guys can see, my information is going to be copied on HTML format. If you want to change it, you can click on it and change it to JSON format as well. But I would suggest you to do it on HTML. Once you do that, you can choose the quality as well. I will choose the high quality, but it's going to take a longer time to download. And your data range, I will not suggest you to touch that. Alright, after you do all of this, click on submit a request. And whenever the download is ready, you're going to get notified on your email. Whichever email you used when you created your Facebook account is going to send you a notification on that. You can check your email, and from that email you can download your information. And within your downloaded information, your Messenger history is also going to be shown. And from there you can check the message which you have deleted from your Messenger. So that's how we guys can recover your deleted message on Messenger. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.